Holly, and I'm super excited for you today because I have a new product that I'm excited to try. It is not crochet or knitting related, but it's kind of adjacent. You'll see later. But I was contacted by a lovely lady who runs this company called, I cannot pronounce it. I'm sure I'm just being silly, but it's Craspire. I will put it right here. It's right here across the bottom of the screen. And she wanted me to test out her products. So I did get these products for free. I will let you know that, to try them out and give you a review. And I'm so excited. I'm sorry, dropping stuff. So I got the package in the mail. I've already opened it, but I am going to show you right now what it is. Well, I'll tell you what it is and then I'll show you. It is actually a wax stamping kit for stamping labels onto like envelopes. And I was so excited. I was like, I've never done that. I totally want to try it. So we are going to give that a shot right now. Okay, so here is everything out of the package that I received. I'm super excited to try this. So I had gotten two things. One was a kit that came with, well, here, let me just show you. The kit came with the candles, the wax melts in this beautiful gold color, the spoon, and it came with this stamper, which I got with this beautiful pineapple on it, right? Love it. Then I was able to order one more, let me just push all that to the side, little stamper, and you guys will see here why. And the handle for that is interchangeable. It is a little yarn ball and some knitting needles, which I thought was too cute. So I can unscrew this. Sorry for the extra noise. Stitches McYarny is walking around right now. And then I just screwed this one on. And there we go. I can use that one. But I think for the first try, I'm going to just set this one over here so you can see it. I'm going to use this pineapple one. I mean, I am the proper pineapple, right? Okay, so the only thing this set did not come with is there's a stand that you put these little candles in the bottom of the stand, and on the top you can just set your little spoon to warm it. So it did not come with that, so I am going to have to just hold it over it. If I like this, I do fully intend on getting that. So give me just 1 second, and I'm going to get some stuff out of the wrappers, and we're going to get ready to test this out. Okay, I've gotten everything out of its package. I've got an envelope to test it out on, and I have my lighter to light the candle. Okay, I will tell you a quick review of these. These, it feels really good. The metal tips, both of them are quite hefty in weight and feel really sturdy. The handle feels really nice. So I would say that this stamper is a good quality. I definitely am impressed with that. The little spoon, it feels a little light, but it is quite tiny. So I would still say I'm quite impressed with this. I obviously haven't used the wax melt yet, so we're about to see. I will say that the tea light that came was a little dinged up. But that does not really matter, as this is for just melting wax. It's not really to be put on something to be pretty. So this doesn't really bother me that that's a little on the messed up side. I have my envelope here. I believe you put 3 or 4 into here. But, so I got 4 of these little hexy, melty waxy thingies. It might be too much, it might be too little. I'm not sure. I really didn't read anything about it. I'm just going to give this a try for the first time. So, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to light the candle. Oh, come on, my lighter's not working. There we go. All right, candle is now lit. I am going to go ahead and hold this a safe distance away from the candle and get the wax all melted, and I will be right back. Okay, as you can see, I have all of my wax melted. It was really fun to watch it melt. You can kind of see some of the smoke coming off the candle that I blew out. I'm sorry. And so now you just pour it right on to where you want it. It pours out so pretty. I'm sure I'm going to have to clean this out later, but we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Then we just take our stamper and set it on there. That's it. And now we just wait for this to dry. So I'm assuming that's going to be another minute or two. So I will just go ahead and pause. And for you, it will be a second. Okay, I don't think this is 100% dry, but I think it's dry enough to take this off. And so we're going to try it. And there it is. That is so cute. Now, I obviously did not do a great job of pouring a pretty little circle. But considering this is my very first time ever doing a wax melt stamp, I just think it is so cool. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy with this. Again, maybe I would go with only 3 melts next time and try to pour it more circular, but that is clearly a pineapple on there. Okay, everybody who gets Christmas cards from me is getting sealed letters like this. Maybe some with this one. Oh, I absolutely love this. Okay, I'm going to pause and we can talk about this more. Okay, that was so much fun. To be honest with you, when she contacted me at first, I almost said no because I was like, do I really want to get into another hobby that's not crochet and knitting related? But then I was like, well, I mean, it could be fun. You know, I love sending, sorry, I've got little baby hairs growing everywhere. So my hair's just sticking out like a mad scientist. Sorry. Rabbit trail. Anyways, I was thinking I have Christmas cards I'm going to be sending out. Maybe it would be fun to put a stamp on them. Whatever. Let's try it out and see how I like it. And I am so in love. The products were wonderfully made. I think I'm going to go ahead and order that stand for the spoon so I don't have to hold it, because I did have to stand there for about 2 minutes and hold that over there. Again, it was fine. It wasn't like horrible. It was actually kind of fun to watch the wax melt. It was really, really pretty. I had a ton of fun. So I think I'm going to order that, and I'm going to order more wax melts from her, because I have seen so many people do like 1 or 2 of different colors, and then when they pour it, it's marbly, and I'm like, oh, I want to do that. So here it is again. I don't know how between my table and over here I got an ink mark on the bottom of my envelope, but I did. But here it is again, and I just love it, guys. Look at that. It's a pineapple. And now it's fully dried. It's fully dried. And okay, we're gonna open this up to see what it would look like if somebody opened it. No, I don't want to do that. I want to save it for now. Yeah, I'm gonna save it, but it's so pretty. I love it, and it was so much fun. Now, this spoon does have the wax in the bottom of it. I guess I could scrape it out. I mean, I could, but I'm not too worried. I mean, hot water would obviously get it out. I'm not too worried since right now all I have is the yellow. So I'm just going to leave it in the bottom of there, but I'm sure you could get it out some one way or another. So this, I give this like 2 thumbs up. 10 stars, whatever you want to say. I think this is so much fun. It's a fun way to, you know, pretty up your letters. I cannot wait to send this out to people for Christmas. But again, I do think I maybe had too much wax. So maybe only 3 next time, because I did get these big protrudy areas on either side. And then I didn't get enough up here. So I also think it's how I poured it. I just kind of flattened mine out. I think I need to make it more circular and then put the stamp on it. Maybe. Gotta live and learn, right? So her website is linked down below. Please go check it out. I think this is so much fun. And if you do wax stamping, is that what it's called? I have no idea. I'm gonna have to look it up for the title of the video. But if you do it, let me know. And then I've got to like work on my placement. As you can see, my pineapple's crooked. I don't care. I love it. So again, I think this is great. I absolutely loved it. I think all of the things that needed to be good quality are good quality. This little guy, I mean, yeah, his bottom, he's got a little wax where it like rolled, but like it sat right over the flame, pretty darn close to the flame. You guys can see the reflection of most of my room. That's ridiculous. Anyways, no blackening on the bottom of that. That's pretty awesome. And like I said, the wax does just get, oh, it's actually kind of hard. I would have to melt it again. But again, I'm not too worried because right now I only have the yellow. Cross that road when I come to it. Oh, I love this so much, guys. Please check her out. Please go give her a like and all that. And I hope you guys enjoy this.